ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It excels in generating coherent and contextually relevant text, and can be applied in various domains like chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, and more. ChatGPT is built on the GPT-4 architecture, an improvement over the previous GPT-3 model. GPT-4 leverages a more extensive and diverse dataset, offering even more advanced capabilities in terms of language understanding, contextual awareness, and response generation. The model is trained on a large corpus of text data from various sources, including books, articles, and websites. It uses unsupervised learning to predict the next word in a sequence, which helps it generate coherent and contextually relevant text. ChatGPT is fine-tuned on a narrower dataset with human-generated responses to improve its performance in specific tasks and make its responses more accurate and relevant. It has a wide range of applications, including but not limited to chatbots, virtual assistants, customer support, content generation, summarization, translation, tutoring, and more. Some of the limitations of ChatGPT are: data bias. ChatGPT may exhibit biases present in its training data, which could lead to biased or inappropriate responses. Lack of context. ChatGPT may struggle with maintaining context over a long conversation or understanding nuanced context within a user's input. Factuality. ChatGPT may occasionally generate responses that are incorrect, outdated, or not based on factual information. Lack of empathy. ChatGPT cannot express genuine human emotions or provide emotional support like a human would. Limited complex task management. ChatGPT is unable to perform tasks that require critical thinking, logical reasoning, or imagination on a level comparable to humans. On the other hand, Google BARD is an experimental interface based on the Lambda language model, enabling users to collaborate with generative AI built on large language models, LLMs, to enhance productivity, creativity, and curiosity. Google BARD's core is based on the Transformer Neural Network architecture, which produces a language model trained on human-like sentence formations, words, and their relations, generating contextually correct responses. BARD uses a lightweight version of LLMs, pre-trained on a variety of data from publicly available sources, including a dataset called Infiniset. It learns patterns in language to predict the next probable word or words in a sequence. BARD assists users in creative tasks, such as outlining blog posts, generating poems, short stories, and taglines. Some of BARD's limitations are: accuracy. BARD, like all LLMs, may generate responses containing inaccurate or misleading information. Bias. BARD may exhibit biases present in its training data, leading to biased or inappropriate responses. False positives/negatives. BARD may misinterpret prompts, either not providing a response to a reasonable prompt or generating an inappropriate response. Vulnerability to adversarial prompting. BARD may be tested by users attempting to bypass its safety mechanisms or divulge sensitive information. Lack of empathy. It cannot express human emotions like sympathy or provide emotional support. Limited complex task management. BARD is unable to perform tasks involving critical thinking, logical reasoning, or imagination. Some of the applications of Google BARD are: getting appropriate answers to queries with its sophisticated AI algorithms, finding information with the familiar Google search engine, more advanced and improved task automation powered by Google AI, personal AI assistance, especially for activities like assistance with time management and scheduling, functioning as a social hub and facilitating user conversations in all kinds of settings. Differences between these two AIs are following. ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff date, limiting its access to more recent information, whereas BARD can tap into real-time data from Google's extensive data repository. BARD can provide up-to-date results, including recent developments and research on a given subject. In contrast, ChatGPT relies on pre-existing information and cannot incorporate recent updates. BARD's responses tend to focus more on factual content, while ChatGPT generates more human-like, descriptive summaries across various topics. This human-like output has made ChatGPT popular among students and content creators. When comparing ChatGPT and Google BARD, it is crucial to consider their distinct design intentions and applications. ChatGPT excels in generating coherent, contextually relevant text, making it popular among content creators and students. On the other hand, Google BARD focuses on enhancing productivity, creativity, and curiosity. It provides real-time data access through Google's extensive data repository, allowing it to offer up-to-date results. Both tools are still in their early stages, and time will ultimately reveal which one outperforms the other. Both ChatGPT and BARD offer valuable contributions to the AI landscape, each with unique strengths and limitations. The choice between these two models depends on the specific requirements and preferences of the end user. It's still early days for both tools, though, and only time will tell which outperforms the other.